Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this display using this old pallet and a bunch of old clothes. First we'll remove all the nails from the pallet. When you remove the nails from this pallet, the nail heads may come off. Use the claw of your hammer to wedge these out. It is going to damage the wood a little bit, but I'm not too concerned about the look because I do want this to look broken down. Next I'm going to grab a scrap 2x8, mark it down the middle and cut this in half. Before you use any power tools, remember, wear your safety equipment because safety, hell yeah. I'm going to use my circular saw to cut this in half. After that, I'm going to sand my 2x4s down and my pallet. Next, I'll secure the 2x4s to the base of this pallet. I'll make socket holes and use 2-inch wood screws to secure everything. I'm gonna paint this display black. I'm not too concerned about painting this nicely because like I said, I do want this to look a little bit beat up and broken down. I'm gonna secure this sign to the pallet. I did want the paint to look like it was bleeding, so what I did was load up a foam brush with red paint and pressed hard against the letters to make it drip down, to make it look like blood. For the body, you're going to stuff a pair of jeans with old clothes. These clothes were going to get thrown out, so I decided to use them for this display instead. This guy's seen better days, you know, what a sorry bastard. Alright, so this is the palette we started off with. And here are the results. I put a candy box in front of this display, which I also made a video for. If you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and check it out. None of the kids wanted to grab any candy because they thought it was an actual person sitting down behind the candy box. And that does it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be safe on Halloween. Take care. Mahalo and aloha.